Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to change equalizer preset for your headphones Sony Pulse 3D. You have to start by click on the PS button on your controller right here and then choose sound. Now click on EQ presets, then to standard, and now choose the best one for you. By default we have three presets, it's standard, bass boost and shooter, so I prefer bass boost of it, so I click on it and I choose it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!